amid BJP's ongoing Bengal Bandh, a big charge being levelled by TMC's Mahua Moitra. Mahua Moitra says BJP goons forcefully shutting schools. Let's go across to Pratibha for more on this. Yes, Pratibha.
Right, Swati. So this is the tweet that has come in from Mahua Moitra amid the bandh that has been called by the BJP. She says BJP goons forcefully shutting high schools today. Don't expect more from the party whose leader has mystery degree in entire political science. Thank you, BJP, for reinforcing why Bengal shuns you. And this is the video that she has put where a few people can be seen putting up a BJP poster. This is right outside the institution gate, Swati.
Thank you very much, Pratibha, for getting us the details. Let's go across to Sabyasachi now. Sabyasachi, so the TMC is alleging that BJP workers are forcefully enforcing the bandh.
Well, that's right. Trinamool Congress Member of Parliament Mahua Moitra has said that the BJP party workers are enforcefully putting out the bandh. See, the bandh call has been given by the BJP. The BJP has been claiming that there has been atrocities that has been done towards the students who had called for the Gherao of Nabanna yesterday, and the atrocities has been done by the West Bengal police. Now, the BJP also warned that all the students who have been detained yesterday should be released immediately. As per the information received from the West Bengal police, over 150 students have been detained. Now, the BJP also has been countering the allegation coming in from the Trinamool Congress side. The BJP has been saying that there is an attempt by the state machinery as well as by the West Bengal police to sabotage the peaceful protest that has been called in by the BJP and create a narrative that the clash happened between the police and the BJP workers because of the Bharatiya Janata Party instigating it. So clearly, a lot of war awards taking place at this particular time. Meanwhile, what we are seeing on ground is that clashes is being continuously taking place between the Trinamool Congress party workers and the BJP party workers in different districts of West Bengal. If you talk about the Kolkata city also, there has been massive deployment of the Kolkata police in different areas where the BJP leaders have called for a protest rally.
Right. At some places, we've seen how the rail blockade is underway as well. BJP workers have stopped railway or train in one of the places. So, is the charge true that is coming in from the TMC? Is there any forceful enforcement of the bandh?
Well, see, in different areas it has taken place. See, the Rail Roko movement by the BJP party workers is going on in different areas. If you talk about the railway station of Barakpur, where Kaustubh Bagchi, the BJP leader, along with the BJP party workers had reached the Barakpur police station to stop the train. In fact, one of the train, the BJP party workers managed to stop at that particular time. The Trinamool party workers, along with the local MLA, also reached there, and the the West Bengal police was also there. So there was this clash that broke out between the Trinamool Congress party workers and the BJP party workers. In fact, after that, the West Bengal police had to intervene and push the BJP party workers away from the railway station. Now, reports are being coming in from different railway stations across the city that various rails are being, various trains are being stopped by the BJP party workers. A rail roko movement is being done by the BJP party workers to impose the 12-hour bandh that call that has been given by the BJP. Meanwhile, yesterday, be it Olapun Bandyopadhyay, the chief advisor of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, as well as Firhad Hakim, the mayor of Kolkata city, they have clearly mentioned that the effect of bandh won't be there, and Kolkata police and the West Bengal police will be deployed at crucial junction to make sure that the bandh does not come into effect, and every single government office, schools and colleges will function as normal days.
Right. You know, you're reporting from Gariahat and the traffic behind you seems normal, but at some places reports have come of tires being burnt by the BJP workers and them being detained by the police. What is the arrangement on ground?
Well, straight away show you the visuals. I'll request my camera person just to pan around and show you the security arrangements that has been made by the Kolkata police at Goriahat Mode. See, at Goriahat Mode, a call has been given by former Member of Parliament Rupa Ganguly that she would come here and enforce the bandh call that has been given by the BJP. Now, to counter that, the West Bengal police is deployed in large numbers on both sides of the road to stop any sort of protest that would take place from the BJP. Meanwhile, the shops of Goriahat Rajahat are yet to open. The usual time of the shops here to open is around 11 a.m. As per the information that we have got from the local police out here, that the shops have been given a green signal to open their shop as usual, as there is no band in this particular area. To stop any sort of protesters movement or the BJP leaders coming out here, the Kolkata police have been deployed to stop these protesters and detain them immediately.
Absolutely. So we can see deployment there on ground. Visuals also coming in from some places of the BJP workers being detained, being taken away from the protest site. Bandh call has been given by the BJP. It's a 12-hour long bandh from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. West Bengal government has appealed people to not respond to the call. You are looking at visuals coming in from across West Bengal. You can see the BJP TMC clash as well. At some places, the BJP protesters clashed with the police officers. While on one hand,